Good afternoon and welcome to an unboxing. An unboxing of Lorwyn Eclipse, the booster bundle. This bundle. So this apparently has 9 play boosters in it and quite a lot of fun stuff. As you can see, it's fully sealed. So we haven't opened this yet. So we're going to get my tiny little sword and we're going to have a look at what's inside the box. So I realised there was a pull tab, so I pulled it. So what do we get? We get empty box now. Get a nice little Explore Beyond the Boundaries. So it's a nice piece of art as well. So it comes in a nice little box. And we have a couple of counters, which are very useful. A nice full art. There's the boosters with more counters. So that's kind of funky. I like that. We have a very large dice, which is obviously a life counter or dice, one of the two. So there's our boosters, which we will open momentarily. And these what have we got in this little set here? We have an enchantment. So we have kin binding, and then these are all the funky forests, plains, lands, swamps, mountains. That's so cool. Nice little set there. Now we get into the meat of everything. The boosters. To do that, we need to be right back so we can bring the camera a bit closer so you can see the cards. Okay, we're all nice and zoomed in, so let's get into the first pack. Let's see what we get. We have Crossroads Watcher, Run Away Together, Tributary Volta, Moonglobe Extractor, Kurloff Zealot, Foraging Wickamore, Creekwood Safe Right, Pirate Strike, Wanderwine Farewell, Girl of Daydreamer, Lorwyn Imperfect Naturalist, oh, 1000-Year Elixir for La, nice, Sting Slinger, a Swamp, and a double-faced proxy. Nice. Let's go up there. Into the next one. We have 9 of these in total. We have a worm token. Nice. Which is obviously double-sided with a merfolk. Tender Sprigs. Kyrith Mystic. Gallant Foul Knight. Haughty Sentence. Tweeze. Dawnlight's Archer. Prideful Feastling. Bark of Doran. Pitless Fists. Silvergill Mentor. Weeping Willow, Eridu Kara of Dawn that goes into Isalu Kara of Twilight. Nice. Barbed Blood Glitter and Another Plains. Not bad. Not bad at all. Gilbergill Peddler. Appeal to Eridu. Light Rot. Feed the Flames. Wild Bane Pummeler. Green Sizner. Changeling Wayfinder. Glamour Gifter. Gut Splitter Gang. Sizzling Changeling. Deep Channel Duelist Full Art. Ajani Outland Chaperone. Chaos Spewer. Island and another Merfolk with a Shapeshifter. Gravegill Scoundrel, Gold Medal Nomad, Blighted Blackthorn, Burning Curiosity, Mist Meadow Council, Jaturnus Grasping, Beardock Core, Sting Slinger, Springleaf Drum, Grave Shifter, Encumbered Readery, Dawnhand Dissident, Full Art, nice, Detective Response, Island, and a goblin that goes into a fairy. I know it doesn't go into a fairy, it's just double-sided, so it has a fairy as well. Summit Sentinel, Evolving Wilds, Wanderbrine Preacher, Boggart Prankster, Bone Club Berserker, Asset Perfection, Brambleback Brute, Gangly Stompling, Shimmer Wild Growth, Nameless Aversion, Explosive Prodigy, Dawnhand Distant, Moonglove Extractor, Forest and a Kifkin, and an Elf. So we're getting some good cards from this bundle so far. Not many doubles from what I can tell. Wonderwine Distractor, Sundapple Celebrant, Barbed Bloodletter, Flamekin Guildweaver, Midnight Tilling, Blossom Bind, Rooftop Percher, Lumin Lusk, Wretched Wretch, Block Imposter, Giant Fall, Harmonized Crescendo, Hexling Squelcher Foil, Forest, and Goblin Fairy. 3 more packs left. We're doing good. As I said, there's not been many doubles, so I'm kind of happy with that. Token doubles, I don't mind at all. River Guard's Reflexes, Bile Vial Boggart, Enraged Flamecaster, Great Forest Druid, Tempest Cleansing, Chaos Spewer, Feisty Spikeling, Lysanla Dignitary, Vorus Tome Skimmer, Puka's Eye, Impala Entrance, Slumbering Walker, Filter Eridu, Oil, nice, really pretty planes, and a Merfolk Shapeshifter again. As I said, tokens I don't mind, because tokens are tokens. Reluctant Dawnguard, Blighted Blackthorn, Cinder Strike, Guilt Leaves Embrace, Wild Unraveling, Spiral into Solitude, Stalacite Dagger, okay, Keep Out, Swat Away, Darkness Descends, Finebred Brawler, Kinscara Sentry, Full Art, Wretched Wretch, Plains, and Kifkin and Elf again. And we're on the last pack now. Dawn Hard Urologist, Reckless Ransacking, Lice Alina Informant, Run Away Together, Shore Lurker, Flaring Cinder, Wary Farmer, Glinster Bound, Personify, Dose of Dawnguard, Sapling Nursery, Tristan, Callous Cultivator, Tristan Penitent Caller, that's double, Scarblade Scout, another Pretty Plains, and another double face proxy. So all in all, we've got some really good cards, and of course we've got all the pretty islands, like all the pretty lands and the basic lands mostly. So we have a lot of mana. So yeah, so that is what I personally got in the bundle. The bundles are good because you get kind of a good amount of stuff. So yeah, that was the Lorwyn Eclipse bundle, and I hope you enjoy. If you do, please obviously don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell, and I will catch you all another time.